Baby, this is gonna be a good one. Upside down cheesy tamale pie. To the ingredients. First, we're gonna start with our cornbread base. I'm using Jiffy corn muffin mix, some creamed corn, cheddar cheese, sour cream, and an egg. No shell. Give that a mix. Spray or grease a large cast iron skillet. Pour your corn muffin mix into your skillet, and then you're going to spread it out evenly. Now you're going to bake it at 400 till it's golden brown. To a skillet over medium heat, you're going to add some olive oil, some chopped onion, salt, chili powder, ground cumin. Give this a mix, saute the onions for about 7 minutes. Now we're going to add minced garlic, green chilies, southwest corn. Give this a mix and cook it for another minute. Add a pound of ground beef and you're going to break it up. Add some salt, some black pepper, a packet of your favorite taco seasoning, give it a mix. You're going to cook until the beef is no longer pink. Reduce your heat to low, and then you're going to add 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2/3 cups of nacho cheese sauce. You're going to stir this together until it's all creamy and melted. When the cornbread's done, take her out and then take a fork and you're going to poke several holes to the top of it. Take some red enchilada sauce and pour that right over the top of the cornbread. Top the sauce with some grated Monterey Jack cheese. Add your beef mixture to the top of that. Spread it out evenly. Top the beef mixture with some shredded cheddar. Another helping of Monterey Jack. Some green onions. Then you're going to cover with some foil, put her back in the oven, and bake her for 20 minutes. Now we're going to top it with some crushed Doritos. And pop her in the broiler for 5 minutes. Go on and make your plate, baby. So good.